Hello friends, today we are going to see a computer science course from MIT. Just click the link in the description. You need to just type programming using Python and you will get this page from MIT Introduction to Computer Science and Programming Using Python. Why I recommend this course to you guys is because Python is one of the easiest language to code and learn coding. The course is given from the best university in the world, and this program is instructor-based program. The instructor in this program will guide you and what to do in this program. It is estimated around 9 weeks. It will and 14 to 16 hours per week. The course is completely free, but an optional upgrade is available for you guys. Just click to enroll and this is what is about the course. It will teach you computer programming language called Python. And Python, trust me, guys, is one of the easiest language to learn programming. The see institution MIT subject computer science level introductory, and it is in English. What you will learn is notion of computation, programming language Python, some simple algorithms, testing and debugging, an informational introduction to algorithm complexity and data structures. These are the professors you will learn from this course. If you liked this video and thought it is helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for new updates regarding new courses that I will give in the upcoming week.